Hi, welcome back to another exciting video from ExamPadi. Today, we'll be learning about the Earth and its movement. There are 8 planets in the solar system, and the Earth is the 3rd planet from the Sun. Here are some fun facts about the Earth we live on. Did you know that the Earth is about 4.5 billion years old? Yes, studies and research from scientists prove to show that the Earth is that old. That was a really long time ago. Even your great-grandparents were not born. Our Earth is the 5th largest planet in the solar system, with its radius at the equator being over 6,300 kilometers. The Earth is compounded of 3 parts: the crust, the mantle, and the core. The core is the hottest part of the Earth, and it is covered by the mantle. The Earth's crust is also made up of a very thin rocky layer. At the Earth's surface, the Earth is made up of about 29% of land and 71% of water. Despite people's old beliefs and debates, scientists have proven that the Earth is not flat but a spherical shape. The Earth is such a special place, and it has the ability to rotate on its axis, which causes day and night. The Earth rotates every single day. When the Earth rotates around the Sun, it is tilted between the northern and the southern hemispheres. One side of the hemisphere is tilted towards the Sun, while the other half is tilted away from the Sun. These movements and rotations are what cause the seasons. Nigeria has 2 recognizable seasons, which are the rainy and dry seasons. In the Western world, most countries have 4 seasons, which are spring, summer, autumn, and winter. The Earth is divided into 4 cardinal points, which are the north, south, east, and west. Something spectacular is, if there are about 1 million different Earths, they could all fit into the Sun. Isn't that amazing? The days on Earth are also getting longer.